Hi everyone, welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. In today's video, we are going to see another interesting fish recipe, which is Goan fish curry. This fish recipe is very quick to make and tastes really good. So let's get started with the recipe. For my Goan fish curry, I am using here 4 medium-sized pomfrets as this goes well with this recipe. You can also use kingfish or surmai. And now we need to season the fish with 1 teaspoon of salt, around half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now rub the fish pieces well with the salt and turmeric powder. Also remember to make slits in the fish pieces like this so that when you cook, the spices and flavors of the gravy is absorbed by the fish. And now we'll let the fish rest for 10 minutes. Next, we need to prepare the spice mix, which is the integral part of this Goan fish curry. For that, you need to soak 4 dry red chilies in water. Add them in the mixer grinder. Along with that goes 1 teaspoon of dhania or coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon of jeera or cumin seeds, 3 large garlic pods. You can slice the garlic into small pieces. Small piece of ginger, 1 medium-sized onion. Slice the onion into small pieces. Next goes few whole peppercorns, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half cup of fresh coconut which I have cut into small cubes, adding some water. This is tamarind pulp. Adding 2 teaspoon of tamarind pulp, half teaspoon of salt as per taste. And now we need to grind them into a smooth paste. Let's check this once. So the spicy paste for our Goan fish curry is ready, and now we shall start with the cooking process. For our Goan fish curry, we need not add any oil. Simply pour the spicy paste in a karahi or pot. Now add some water in the mixer grinder and pour in the karahi to form a smooth gravy-like consistency. Give a mix. And now we need to cover and simmer the gravy on medium heat for at least 5 minutes. It's more than 5 minutes. Let's check the gravy. The consistency of the gravy looks perfect. And now it's time to add the marinated pomfrets in the gravy. Coat the fish well with the gravy. And now again we will cover and cook the fish on medium heat for 10 minutes so that all the flavors are well absorbed by the fish. It's 10 minutes now and the fish is well cooked by now. The gravy has also slightly thickened. Let's check for the salt proportion. Little bit of salt is required. So I'll be adding half teaspoon of salt. Give a gentle mix. You can add some more chilies if you prefer extra spiciness. And now my Goan fish curry is ready to be served hot. So turn off the flame. Enjoy this Goan fish curry with hot steamed rice. This fish curry is surely going to tickle your taste buds as it is full of flavors. Also, it is healthy as it is zero oil preparation. So friends, do try this flavorful Goan fish curry recipe. Also share your feedbacks, and if you like my today's video, then do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such interesting recipes. Also check out the links of my other recipes in the description section of this video. See you soon again in my next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.